Hey guys, Lily here with Donnelly Ford of Ashland, and right behind me I have a 2020 Volvo XC40, and I have some super exciting news to share about this vehicle. Just having over 70,000 miles, it still applies for our lifetime powertrain warranty, so your engine, transmission, drive axle, all of that is all covered. It comes in this beautiful denim blue metallic, which I think is just so pretty to look at. You also get a blind spot indicator in your mirrors. And if we sit down in here, we also have adaptive cruise. I really like how they set up their infotainment system, just because all of your safety features are super easy to find. And if you scroll over to this page over here, this is where all of your audio apps would be at, and then a couple of other just different apps after you connect your phone. This does come with premium audio and memory seats. Over here on the passenger side, you do have power seats. There are power seats on the driver. This vehicle also has heated seats and a heated steering wheel. The second row has a good amount of space, and your passengers would get an armrest and cup holders. You have a ton of room in this trunk, and you also have this little compartment where you can slide in fishing poles, boards, wrapping paper, whatever you would need to put back there. You also have the hands-free lift gates, and it does come with the foot closing gate.